Islamiat General Knowledge Multiple Choice Questions with Answers. Test number 1. Islamic Quiz Question 1 to Question 10. Commerce Lecture Online. Question 1. To which prophet was the Zabur revealed by Allah? Correct answer. Option B. Prophet Daud alayhi salam. Question 2. Which companion of Prophet, peace be upon him, was awarded with the title of the Sword of Allah? Correct answer. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Question 3. The real name of Imam Bukhari radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu is? Correct answer. Option A. Muhammad bin Ismail. Question 4. The angel who delivered messages to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was? Correct answer. Jibreel alayhi salam. Question 5. Which companion of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was awarded with the title of the Lion of Allah? Correct answer. Hazrat Ali al-Murtaza radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Question 6. The first mosque on the surface of the earth is? Correct answer. Masjidul Haram. Question 7. Name the wife of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who was daughter of Hazrat Umar Farooq radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. Correct answer. Hazrat Afsa radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. Question 8. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was married Khadija radhiyallahu ta'ala anha at the age of? Correct answer. 25 years. Question 9. What was the relation between Prophet Ismail alayhi salam and Prophet Ishaq alayhi salam? Correct answer. They were brothers. Question 10. First migration of the companions and relatives of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was to? Correct answer. Abyssinia, Ethiopia. Like, subscribe, share.